For 55 years, Kirk NationaLease has been dedicated to being more than just a service provider. We are a committed partner in our clients' success. Founded in 1969, Kirk has evolved from a small company into a leader in private fleet solutions. As a proud member of the NationaLease network, we operate 22 locations across 11 states and 2 remote mobile units, ensuring reliable service coverage. Our team of about 100 highly trained technicians is dedicated to delivering exceptional experiences for our clients every day. They are equipped with a secret weapon.
At Kirk NationaLease, we primarily work on over-the-road tractors, trailers, and yard trucks. We do work on specialized vehicles in a couple of our locations. We maintain a wide variety of year, model, and makes of equipment from 1990 to current. For a long time, we had encountered difficulties when we had to repair units that had multi-branded systems, which at time required the purchase of many brands of OE software if it is even available at our level. You had to switch between program and program to diagnose one single vehicle.
In 2013, K&L conducted the initial testing and evaluation of Jaltest. The product was very easy to use, and at that time was the first bi-directional, multi-platform, and multi-module program that we had used.
The availability of wiring diagrams on demand when you need them for whatever you need them for. That is so necessary, and it's almost not, it's like you'd never find it in the wild. Jaltest is absolutely the best for that.
With Jaltest, once you start learning the fundamentals of it, it all looks the same. So whether you're hooking to a Mack, or whether you're hooking to a Ford pickup, or whether you're hooking to whatever, the inside basics the same. It's easy to use. You know, you don't have to have a bunch of different softwares.
Often I'll respond to a call and it's a driver, he's broken down, he's 1,000 miles away from home. He doesn't know what's wrong with his truck. It's in the middle of the night and he doesn't know what's going to happen. I like showing up and just making the world run a little bit smoother. I like making sure that guy knows that, hey, he's gonna be all right. You can move your truck at the end of this. Just give me an hour, everything will be fine. And Jaltest really gives me an edge with that. I come prepared for every situation, no matter what situation I'm walking into.
Having Jaltest on our team ensures that we meet all the challenges of our customer, wherever they may be.